Welcome. If you don't know where you can find your downloaded files on your XIAOMI Mi Note 10, just let me show you. So for the first, we have to enter the downloads, click on agree, and there is where you can find the files that you download from the internet. But as you can see, currently I didn't download anything. So let's go back to the Google Chrome, and right now I will go for this Google graphic, and maybe we are going to download the picture of Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. So click on the graphic, images, and maybe we can take this photo. So click, hold, and click on the download, click on the continue, allow. Then we have to go back to the downloads where you can find your picture. This is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.